15. So it's still playing on the high side. Your amp should be able to handle that, no problem. I think yours showed 16 or more.
I can look at the spec, but
this,
there's I got that amp specifically to wire both of these in parallel.
Yes.
So it would run it.
So ideally, we want to go lower. We want to be able to run, and we can kind of tweak some of the wiring if we want to run the ohms down lower. Just helps with overall performance, prevents us from overheating, and just more efficiency out of it. So that's why I was saying, some of these amps have connectors like what your power port over here has.
Yeah.
Where you can actually, it's easier to screw wires into it, multiple wires going into one.
So this is 15 ohms right now. That's too high.
Higher than I would want. I would like to get it down.
So what would happen
half.
if we, bear with me. Okay.
Oh, trust me, like I told you, this has been 30 years since I've done one of these. So
What happens if we take off the jumper?
The jumper is what, in theory, is.
I don't know. That's why I'm asking.
So the jumper is supposed to help bring it down. We can try that and see what our ohms does on it, and then run the parallel.
So if I just unplug.
Right now, yeah.
So now we got
So
nothing.
that kind of dropped to nothing. So it's not connected. Now, however, that being said, if we do one, we need to try.
We should do the other one. Yeah, you're right. I got you. I follow. Here, let me move this over. No change.
Nothing. Okay. So the jumper is.
Unless. So we put the jumper back on.